इधर लेके जाओ आप पीछे।
खुराना जी को बुलाइए, खुराना जी आइए, सर सर आइए, आगे आइए, खुराना जी आगे आइए, खुराना जी आओ, हाँ जी हाँ जी, वैसा आओ आप, अरे आओ ना। एक रहता है, एक होता है।
सरदार जी किधर है? सरदार जी साथ में पकड़ लोगे बेटा।
ठीक है, आ जाओ आ जाओ। और कोई रह गया हो?
अभिनव
हाँ, फोटो वीडियो फोटो एंड वीडियो।
वेस्ट जो है
कोई ठीक है।
It's a good replacement for monthly आपने
यस सर
सर्विस में लगने के बाद इट्स ओके। ये इसको सर देखिए गोल्डन वो देकर के
गोल्डन देखिए सर, ये अपन कह सकते हैं जैसे इसमें भी वही था, क्योंकि ये 3000 स्क्वायर फीट अगर हम बेच रहे हैं।
लाइट का स्विच का है,
लाइट जल रही है, ये वाला एरिया
लिखना शुरू करो।
रोशनी
रोशनी
मैम एक बार इस कैमरे में देखिए। थैंक यू। वाह जी वाह। बेटा एक चम्मच थोड़ा सा ये
Sir, what contribution is RK Ceramic making to employment generations?
See, any ceramic industry, they are generally seen to be labor intensive because we are also doing sanitary ware in India. Our plant in Samalkota, we employ about 2,000 people between our tile and sanitary ware division. Apart from that, there are indirect employments. So several families, like if this dealership, we have about 1,000 dealers in India. So each dealership, I think, contributes to employment to at least 20 people. So you can imagine the kind of employment that is generated by a company like us. It's not only us. I mean, any ceramic company would be doing that.
Today, what number of showrooms now?
We already have 138 premium and official partners in India, and the tribe is growing. We have our own Coco showrooms also, which are operated and owned by us. Then we have now recently got into a retail format also. So there are several activities going on. But this is, you can say, one of the unique showrooms in Delhi.
What is the specialized in this showroom
Yeah.
in Delhi and also in the technology segment?
It is coinciding with the launch of our campaign for SUT. We have launched our super utility tiles. See, for a long time, tiles have been, people have been talking about aesthetics, designs, but we have kind of changed the narrative. Now we are talking about the utility of the tiles, because now you can take aesthetics and the sizes, the variety of sizes for granted, but you need special tiles for special utility. And these special utilities happen to be slip resistance, this scratch resistance. Then there are decorative tiles wherein we have introduced one translucent tile. We are the only company in India who have been able to do this. These translucent tiles are tiles जिसमें हम बोलते हैं रोशनी आर पार. If you put light besides the back side of the tile, it passes through the tile, which is a unique feature and very unique to RAK as of now. Maybe at some time the other companies will catch up, but right now this feature is only with us.
Sir, RAK mainly take out the which commercial projects and the residential project you are.
I think Mr. Sanjay Sharma would be better placed to give all these answers because he looks after the sales and marketing. So,
Main commercial projects or main residential project which you are taken in the pan India.
yeah.
See, we are the preferred suppliers to all the areas where is moderate to heavy traffic like airports. All the major airports across the country, they have been tiled with RAK tiles. In Delhi also, Akshardham Mandir is a classical example, which is tiled with RAK tiles, and nonetheless, many CPWD buildings.
So the crown on our head is Ram Mandir.
Ram Mandir.
Ram Mandir.
We have supplied tiles to Ram Mandir also.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Yes.
Sir, dispose of की जब बात
हम लोग almost 100% of the waste is recycled. जो रेसिपीज़ हम लोग अभी टाइल्स की बनाते हैं तो मान लीजिए 90% अगर वर्जिन मिट्टी डालते हैं तो 5 to 7% हम ये भी डालते हैं.
So what's your views on the Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and the self-employment?
We are very much into it. We are part of it because we have 3 units in India, and it's not now. When the whole world was talking about India as IT, that was the time when RAK thought of putting up a plant in India. We are a multinational company. We are based in headquartered at UAE, but then we have got plants in Bangladesh, we have got plants in Iran, we have plants in Sudan. But in 2006, we put up a plant in India for making tiles. You have to imagine, and we were the first company to bring technical tiles in India. When this vitrified tile revolution was happening, or rather I can say that we ushered the technical tile revolution in India. We brought double charge vitrified tile for the first time in India. And thereafter people caught on.
Sir, what are the
Please.
Carry on.
So what are the expansion plans for India?
We already have 3 units in India, and as the demand for our products grows, we are positioned in a upper segment of the market. So you would understand that it takes a little more time for us to, as the country is growing now, that the middle class is surging like anything, and the kind of opportunity that exists in India, we look forward to growing by at least 2 times in the next 3 years. So maybe we'll add capacities in our existing plant. All these are plants that we have. They have expendable spaces, and we are growing. In Samalkota, we'll be putting up another plant now. So all the work is going on over there.
The question to the Khurana ji is, tell me sir about this today's showroom sir has come for. Come. What's your थोड़ा सा बताइए.
Yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure. I have seen my father working hard to develop this, design this. He's the main architect of this showroom, and with an absolute support of Sanjay Sharma sir and
whole
the whole
RAK team.
team. Yeah. So it's been an absolute pleasure, yeah. And I congratulate my father as well.
Any other questions? Media wants to.
See, as RAK, we have been associated with Khurana ji for a very long time now, and he's putting up this showroom now will increase our business manifold. Because the kind of dedication he shows when he is doing things, It's all visible in the quality of work that you see,
Yeah.
the kind of showroom they have built. So we look forward to a very bright future for us, both for Riddhi Siddhi Ceramics and for ourselves.
सर अगर मजबूती की बात आती है तो लोग जब
मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, आप किसी भी मार्बल की दुकान में चले जाइए, आज वो टाइल के बगैर वो मार्बल की दुकान नहीं चलती है. दैट्स द प्रूफ ऑफ चेंजिंग सिनेरियो. स्टाइल्स आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर एप्पल टू एप्पल आप कंपैरिजन कीजिए, इनकी ब्रेकिंग स्ट्रेंथ, इनका मॉडुलस ऑफ रप्चर, it is better than the natural stones for the same thickness. Today, if you are sitting on a 15 mm thick tile, if there is a 15 mm marble, this tile is double strong than the marble of the same thickness. Of course, if you have thickness higher, then it's a different thing. But any vitrified tile, if it is 15 mm thickness and there is a marble slab which is 15 mm thickness, apple to apple, if you compare the modulus of rupture, your breaking strength, all these parameters, tiles perform better. Vitrified tiles are performing better. And with digital printing coming in, today you can't make out whether it's a tile or it's a marble. Even we have a range which is through veining, which means that design is all across. It's not just on the surface of the tile. There is a tile which is through veining. If you mold it, you will see the design even in the body. So we will definitely give tough time to marble in the days to come.
So where is the company headquartered?
Like I told you, it is headquartered in Ras Al Khaimah,
Russell Kim.
and from there only our name comes, RAK, Ras Al Khaimah. So that's the headquarter. But we have been in India for now more than 15 years. 2006 we started off. So
18 years.
So what are the specialities of RAK?
everything about RAK is special. It's the choice, first choice of the sheikhs. So you can imagine.
Every time is a special.
They have everything available, but they can if they choose RAK first, then there is something in it. We have all the range. I mean, the special thing about us is that we are into crockery, we are into sanitary ware, we are into faucets. So we are a complete solution provider. If you think about a beautiful home, think about RAK.
Any other question left for?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है. अब बुर्ज खलीफा में यूज्ड है, और बहुत अलग अलग और दूसरी भी बिल्डिंग्स हैं जो वहाँ की सब में वो, क्योंकि MR also happens to be a partner for us. So most of the buildings which MR is built in entire GCC, they are all tiled with RAK.